today's event because it's part of our build-up to World Patient Safety Day.
So Whose Shoes is a game that looks at issues from different people's perspectives, and all the scenarios are crowdsourced by real people. So hopefully some of them quite provocative, and the whole point of Whose Shoes really is to try and make a difference and to encourage people during these sessions to think about what they personally can do to make a difference.
PPE. At the beginning of the pandemic, our hospital had very little PPE for staff. On one shift, I was asked to support an aerosol generating procedure for a COVID positive patient. I knew this was particularly high risk procedure for infection control, and I was really concerned that the basic mask I was given would not protect me. I'm now facing a fitness to practice hearing for expressing my concerns as care was delayed.
That really shocked me. That was one of the scenarios that was contributed. As though they're all true stories, as directly as that, and being disciplined. I just thought, wow.
It's something that came out hugely in the last few months through stories that were shared with us on the hub, real concerns about PPE, and a lot of people were concerned about their families and themselves, but also concerned about infection control risks to patients because of that as well.
In the context of staff raising concerns, I heard many similar things, and I heard also once from a nurse who said that her manager was actively discouraging people from reporting concerns in datics, and people were being warned not to report things, told they would get into trouble for reporting things because it would either make the manager look bad, or oh, well, look, there's nothing we can do about it because we just don't have enough resources or we don't have the money. So I think what's going on here is probably an extension of that as well.
I think it's using our voice to amplify the voices of others, particularly when, you know, in that example, if you speak up and then you're performance managed or you're sent on a fitness to practice hearing, you know, it's not just what happens to that one person, it's everyone in that organization. You know that that's going to happen to you. So it then means everyone self-censors. You don't have to behave that badly towards everyone because you've got a culture that will then just, people won't speak up.
Beavering away in the background, we've got our lovely Anna, who magically has managed to record it all for us, and she's been keeping unusually quiet, and now she's got her opportunity to unmute and tell us what have you been doing, Anna?
This is the live capture of the conversations, but we've also got that learning that we would like to, that's come out through the chat as well. So Carrie will be looking at that and doing a reflective summary in a digital format.
I didn't know about the Patient Safety Learning Hub, and you people are gathering these stories and sharing them and doing something about it. And you know, it's how others can support you really, and to get your message out there and to make these stories make a difference.
Because there's a lot of knowledge about what we need to do to improve patient and staff safety. There's less activity around the implementation of that. And I think there's something about bringing the head and the heart together, which is what we were talking about, Jill, about using this session to create strengthen some of that energy and bring the emotion to tell those stories. I know you're going to be talking about pledges. That'll be one of my pledges, that we want to take and honour the comments and the contributions that people have made and build that into the work we're doing at Patient Safety Learning and the Hub.